Hello friends, I welcome you to Geology Guide channel. Today in this video we are going to see about solar system and the planets of our solar system. Those who are newly watching our channel, do subscribe for more videos. We might have heard about solar system from childhood onwards, either in schools, movies or somewhere. Here in this video we are going to have a brief look over solar system and the planets in it. Coming to this video, what is solar system? Solar system is a gravitationally bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit it. It means that gravity plays a major role for the whole process that is taking place in the solar system. We often look at the sky and wonder sometimes what may be the size of the sky. The size of the solar system is too huge than what we think. It is about 100 astronomical units, that is approximately 15 trillion kilometers. The sun is the biggest object in the solar system. The sun is nothing but a star in the solar system. The sun provides energy to the earth and other planets. Since this is efficient to provide energy to all other planets, its temperature is about 6000 degrees Celsius. The radius of the sun is about 6,96,340 kilometers. Any matter in the universe is made up of solid or liquid or gas. So what our solar system is actually made up of? Our solar system is made up of gas. Those gases are hydrogen and helium. Between these two gases, hydrogen is the most dominant, while helium gas is available only in very small amount. Our solar system includes 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Theories of solar system. Many theories regarding solar system have been proposed by many scientists across the world. Earlier, geocentric theory have been proposed. According to this theory, the Earth was at the center of the solar system and all other planets along with the sun moves around them. But this theory was rejected since it doesn't fulfill any scientific facts. Later, heliocentric theory was proposed. According to this theory, the sun is at the center of the solar system and all other planets moves around it. This theory was demonstrated by scientist Nicolaus Copernicus. Also, in 1609, this theory was corrected by German astronomer Johann Kepler. Supporting this theory, an Italian astronomer Galileo and German scientist Sir Isaac Newton have also concluded this heliocentric theory. We have already seen that our solar system is made up of sun and planets. Those planets are located at increasing distance from the sun. Each and every planet moves around the sun in a well-defined elliptical orbit. All planets have capability of rotating about their own axis. Speaking the mass of the solar system, at about 99.8% of entire solar system is occupied by the sun, while the rest of 0.15% only is occupied by other planets. Inner and outer planets. Based on the location, size and characteristics, the 8 planets have been divided into 2 groups. They are inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Whereas outer planets include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Characteristics of inner planets and outer planets are entirely different from one another. Inner planets are solid and rocky in nature. They have solid surface. They have very low mass but high in density. They are located close to the sun, but their composition is mainly made up of silicates and metals. Outer planets are also called as giants or gaseous planets. They are usually large and made up of gaseous particles. They have no solid surface. They have high mass but low in density. They are located far away from the Sun. Outer planets may have many moons. They also have rings. But these outer planets are mainly made up of gases like hydrogen, helium, water, ammonia, and methane. Here we come to an end of this video. I hope you have an overview of our solar system. Give me a like and comment if you are really interested through this video. Also share this video to your friends. Keep watching Geology Guide channel. For further videos, stay tuned. Thank you.